Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you might need to move your Matic tokens from one exchange to another. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw a Matic from Bitmart to Gemini in 2025. This step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently, whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills. First things first, why would you want to do this? Maybe you're looking to diversify your holdings or take advantage of better features on Gemini. Let's jump right in. Before we start, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Gemini, and that you have some Matic in your Bitmart wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the Polygon network for this transfer, as Matic transactions typically require it to keep fees low. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the Wallets or Assets section and find your Matic balance. Click on Withdraw next to Matic. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Step 2. In the withdrawal form, select the Polygon network. Don't mix this up with Ethereum, or you might face issues. Now, enter your Gemini wallet address. To get this, log into Gemini, go to your account settings, and copy the deposit address for Matic. Paste it carefully into Bitmart's form, and specify the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, exchanges often have minimum withdrawal limits, so check that first. Step 3. Review everything. Double-check the address, amount, and network to avoid any costly mistakes. Once you're confident, hit Confirm, and complete any two-factor authentication if required. Bitmart will process your request, and you'll get a transaction ID. After that, keep an eye on your Gemini account. Transactions usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it arrives, you're all set. Your Matic is now on Gemini. A quick tip. Always be aware of withdrawal fees, which can vary, and never share your private keys. If you're new to crypto, consider using a hardware wallet for extra security. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.